start off with the fuel filter side, as you can even see, and get those two hoses off from this side and here. So we're going to get the whole 4-cylinder line out. And that runs down all the way to the end. Okay, we're going to start off by taking the fuel filter side off. That one. Take that line off from right there, right here. And then those two lines. Okay, so I ended up taking it off the filter piece from here, which I was trying to do, but I just can't get it off. So take the little clip out, that's the side there. And this one I got off right here. Need a quick fuel line disconnect. So I'll show you what it is. It's this thing right here, and you just slide it on top and push it down in, pull it off. Okay, that part, that's just a rivet. So you just use this thing and popped it out, or you can drill it out. Don't use an anger grinder next to fuel. Okay, so onto the next bolt after the rivet. It's this one right here. I'll take that off and just keep going down, following the lines. Okay, the next one's right there, and right above the transmission. I'm gonna unbolt that. Already got this one off. Okay, now we're on to the subframe. So I have subframe connectors on it that runs underneath, or yeah, over it. And so now we're up onto here. The side, there's no other bolts left, so I think this just pops out. Right there's a bolt. Okay, so inside the engine bay, after you get that bolt off from underneath the plastic piece, the last two bolts are here. I mean the last bolt there. Whoop, let me change the size. Looks like it's a 10 now. Okay, so that last bolt was that one I showed you in the previous clip. So the whole thing is off now, but I don't understand what the hell you're supposed to do when you have subframe connectors. Yeah, so how am I even gonna get this out? So basically just wiggle them through and like flip them and all that crap, and that should come out.